Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are showing like coolest Lego sculptures ever. Look at this. It's crazy. Wow. Look at that. Yeah. Well, I'm taking a video. Look at that. Here's the famous one. What? No way. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Now this is interesting. So it's like building its own body, kind of. Like it doesn't have its own face. Then we have a dog. Look at that. That is just amazing. So this apparently is the Earth. I think that's like where we are. South America, Asia. And then we have, pretty sure that's like maybe a torso or something. Huh, look at that. So apparently somebody had the dog with them, the Lego dog, and now it's in the picture. Alright. What? I know. God. Oh, it's railroad tracks. That's neat. Railroad. Look at the picture. The railroad goes along. Yeah. Oh, good. Here's a bucket. Oh, and then you can actually like move the thing up and down, but you aren't supposed to touch any of this, so. Whoa. So I guess that's how it works. Oh, look at that. Look above us. There are Lego clouds in the air. There's some in the picture too. Here. What the heck? It's like it's frozen in time. It's like a dress of some sort. And it's just frozen. Let's see. Over here we have like a tree. It's in this picture right over there. Can't really zoom in right now, but maybe I can. No. Very interesting. Batteries going. Here's an umbrella. Look at that. Floating umbrella. I can't grab it. No. That. Crazy. Flip-flops. There are flip-flops. Look at that. Flip-flops. Oh, it's in a pool. Oh my. Huh. There are the flip-flops right there. Huh. Oh, he's gonna get us. Oh my gosh. Ah. That's creepy. My gosh. What are you doing? Wow. Oh, that's fine. What? Wow, look at how tall that thing is. That thing's tall. Hello. Hi. Yeah. I guess somebody like kind of got stuck in here. That doesn't look very good. Yeah. Let's go over here. By the way, this is like my first vlog video. Tiny person up there. Tiny. basically just like a slow motion view of this guy building the legs of a, I don't know, like a person, Lego person. Wow. I know you can't see it very well, but you can see it's starting to go together now. I think this is the end of the Lego exhibit, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. Goodbye!